Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new update available for GameSpace application, which brings few additions and a complete new UI for the GameSpace application. Current version of this new GameSpace application is version 2.5 and I've tested this application on other devices like OnePlus 60 and OnePlus Nord. New GameSpace application works great on my other OnePlus devices also. Right now it's not available on the Play Store, but I'll leave a link in the description below. You just need to download that APK file and install it manually. And if you're looking for this wallpaper, this can also be found inside the description below. It's from the latest OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 edition. So once you have downloaded the APK and installed it manually, so a GameSpace application would be updated. So this will be the first look of the new GameSpace application. Tapping on start and you can see a complete new UI, where in the first section you will find all your games which you have installed, and the second section we have is for explore, where you can find all your favorite gaming videos and you can also leave a like or comment on those videos. Basically this update is only for Indian region and I'm not sure exactly on what basis here we get the recommendations of these videos. If you guys are aware about it, do let me know in the comment section below. Nothing new have been added inside the settings panel. Everything remains same like mistouch prevention and the new gaming toolbox option. Under my game section, you can directly tap on these three dots and select phonetic mode. You can check the moment section where you have all the collection of your pictures or video recorded in the particular game. So if you have taken any screenshot or recorded videos while playing the game, that can be found inside the moment section. Tapping on this graph icon, here you'll be able to check out how much time you have played this specific game, and you can check your stats of last 7 days along with the battery usage. And after that we have a gallery thumbnail. Tapping on it, this is a moment section, and as said, here you can find all the recordings or screenshots taken while playing the game. Inside moment section also we have two subsections, one is recent and the second one is game. Basically only one addition have been done which is related to explore, and here you can see all the videos recommended by GameSpace application, and we're not sure on what basis these videos are being recommended. And here we have the new gaming toolbox. Nothing new added over here, but soon we'll also see FPS meter included in GameSpace application, which you can directly find it inside the gaming tool. So once it's available, I'll let you know guys about it. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest GameSpace application. You guys try to install it on your device and let me know whether it works or not. So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you guys like it. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.